Hi there, I'm Borna, your organic chemistry tutor, and I have another solved synthesis problem for you. Let's get started. Alright, so this is a problem for today. I suggest that you pause the video if you have learned the amines chapter and go ahead and try the problem and come back and see if you did it right. Alright, let's see what's going on here. The first thing that attracts my attention is that we have an OH group on here, and the only way that we have learned to put on an OH group on an aromatic aromatic ring is to create a diazonium and react that diazonium with water and heat to give us that OH, that phenol. So that being said, I know that this has to come from basically an NH2 here, and the NH2 I know that has to come from an NO2. Like, that's the only way that we can place an NO2 group there. So this comes from NO2, and then the carboxylic acid functional group, that has to come from a methyl through oxidation with permanganate. So this comes from a methyl. Now it basically becomes a question of what order we should do these reactions, or it becomes a question of what the order for these reactions should be. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that because of the fact that they have to be para, I'm going to put on the methyl using CH3Cl AlCl3, a Friedel-Crafts reaction, and then add the NO2 using HNO3 and H2SO4. And at this point, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to oxidize that methyl to the carboxylic acid and subsequently I'm going to reduce the NH2 to reduce the NO2 to an NH2. Now the reason why I held off and reduced the NH2 only at this point is because I don't want to react my free NH2 with MnO4, because MnO4 can potentially oxidize the NH2 and mess things up there. So that's why I held off. So I have the CO2H here and the NH2 here, and all I have to do now is to create a diazonium. So HNO2 or NaNO2 and HCl, that's probably the better way of showing that. And then once I have the diazonium, all that is left for me to do is to react that diazonium with water and heat it up a little bit, and then that is going to give me the product. Here we go. Well, I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Come back for more solved problems, tips and tricks, and tutorials. Check out my website at eurochemtutor.com, and I'll see you next time. Take care.